Hey everyone, Alex here. Welcome to Investor's Guide to the Galaxy. Tesla price cuts in China, Australia, Japan, and South Korea. EV maintenance cost 50% lower than gas-powered cars. Although before we start, if you find this video helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you crashed that like button and subscribe to my channel. It's totally free and takes just a split second. Now let's dive right into it. Tesla stock price yesterday down 2.9%. Past year down 69%. Past 5 years up 392%. Sawyer Merit on Twitter. Breaking. Tesla has reduced their car prices in China. Here are the new starting prices in US dollars. Model 3 rear-wheel drive $33,000. 11.7% drop. That's a huge drop in price. Model 3 Performance $48,000, 5.7% drop. Model Y Short Range $37,000, 10% drop. That's a very good price for Model Y. Model Y Long Range $45,000, 13.4% drop. Model Y Performance $52,000, 9.5% drop. Maybe Elon Musk is a little bit concerned about Tesla demand in China because BYD has very cheap prices on their cars, and I think he wants to compete with that. But I see this as a positive thing, not a negative thing. Tesla has reduced Model Y prices in Japan. Model Y rear-wheel drive $43,000 US, 9.9% drop. Model Y Performance $56,000, 9.9% drop. Again, Tesla has reduced Model Y prices in South Korea. Model Y Long Range $66,809, 12.1% drop. Model Y Performance $74,549, 9.5% drop. And in Australia as well, Tesla has reduced prices for Model 3 and Model Y. Model 3 rear-wheel drive $63,900 Australian dollars, 2.4% drop. Model 3 Long Range 3.9% drop, Model 3 Performance 1.9% drop, Model Y Rear-Wheel Drive 2.4% drop, Model Y Performance 2.4% drop. Tesla has launched a round steering wheel for Model S and Model X. That's hilarious. You can select round or a yoke in the online configurator at no additional cost. Tesla is also removing the T emblem on the rear and replacing it with the words Tesla. As you can see here, this is a before picture with a Tesla logo here, and now the new one without the Tesla logo. Again, efficiency, production efficiency, it's brilliant at Tesla. Cathie Wood on Twitter. According to our research, electric mobility will continue to destroy oil demand. Recently, Hertz said that its EV maintenance costs are 50% lower than gas-powered vehicle costs. Now I understand why several of my recent Uber drivers have rented Tesla cars. In other words, electric vehicles miles traveled are rising faster than expected, destroying oil demand. Innovation solves problems and gains traction during tough times. Last year, total auto sales dropped 8% as electric vehicle sales soared. Tesla's auto sales increased 40% during the fourth quarter and for the full year. That's good news for Tesla. After all the price cuts, Tesla will have big demand for cars, and first quarter will be epic. Remember, we have Investor Day on 1st of March 2023. Till then, Tesla will have some nice results in sales. But then again, Tesla bears will see these price cuts as demand concerns. And it's fair to say that Tesla stock will go down on this news. I see this as a positive thing, or maybe I'm a deluded Tesla fanboy. But these price cuts will greatly increase demand for Tesla cars and in return increase production efficiency and revenue for Tesla. Even before this, competitors had a hard time chasing Tesla, but now it will be even more difficult for them, maybe impossible. Maybe BYD has a small chance to compete with Tesla. I'd like to know your opinion on all of this. Please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please smash that like button so that other people like you see this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. See you next time.